Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Teva Pharmaceuticals. You can see walk-in for position is R&D Intern. This walk-in are conducted at 20 July 2024 and time is 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Coming to the education and qualification, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, M.Sc graduates apply to this position and experience is fresher and job location is Navi, Mumbai. Request to share the relevant profiles by Friday 19th July to mention email ID. If you any query, please send resume to mention email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. And job description is active participation in method development, validation and subject sample analysis, process and analyze the subject sample as per the project requirements, etc. These are the regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video for job updates. Bye. See you in the next video.